How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video, and we are back in Barcelona for MWC Mobile World Congress. And to kick things up on this channel, we're going to be looking at the latest Samsung Galaxy Book series. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. And we've seen the last editions, so the predecessors, the Samsung Galaxy Book 2, the Book 2 Pro, and the 360, and they offered great laptop experiences. And not much has changed in terms of design, but if it's not broke, why fix it? But we do see some updates in terms of the internals, which I'm pretty much looking forward to actually trying out in a full review. But in the meantime, this is my first impressions and hands-on with the two new laptops that I held today. We didn't see the Galaxy Book 2, but hopefully we get to handle that later on as well. Let's check it out. Both the 360 and the clamshell versions come in either 13.3 or 15.6 inch sizes and are almost identical. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro is available in silver or graphite and are both understated with the subtle Samsung branding on the lid. It's super thin and lightweight at just 1.11 kilograms without the external graphics for the 15.6 inch version and just 0.87 kilograms for the 13.3 inch model. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro is super portable and easy to throw in a backpack, something I loved about its predecessor. For ports, they both have a Thunderbolt 4, one USB Type-C, a USB 3.2 port. You also get 3.5mm audio mic combination port, a microSD card expansion slot, and the larger variant comes with a full HDMI port and an optional nano SIM for your 5G stuff. Opening the lid, the Galaxy Book 2 Pro is well balanced, so you can open it up with just one finger if you like to do so without lifting the bottom half. But the lid does have some wobble, which you'll notice if you're an aggressive or passionate typist, if that's a word. The keyboard is backlit on both variants, but the larger version has that numeric keyboard and they feel great to type on. I don't know exactly how much key travel in terms of numbers, but it feels really nice. The Galaxy Book 2 series have an island keyboard, so each key stands out and are easy to use. The power button also has an integrated fingerprint scanner, so you can log in with that as you press the power button. You have a 1080p Full HD webcam with dual array microphone. If they support Windows Hello, I'm not sure, but I'll find out when I have the full review. But it now comes with an auto framing function and a wider 87 degrees field of view, up from 77 from last year. You also get that bi-directional noise cancelling on the microphone, so this should be great for your video call like Zoom and so on. The display is one of the best out there, as Samsung is great when it comes to smartphone and laptop displays and TV displays. So nothing surprising here. Both variants have Full HD 16:9 AMOLED display, and whilst it's sharp and vibrant, it's not the best in bright light situation like sitting by the pool on a sunny day like this, catching up on emails. You might struggle a little bit. Onto the internals. For processing, both are on the Intel Evo platform, enabling the ability to have that thin laptop without compromising on power whilst staying cool under pressure. It's running on Windows 11, powered by the latest 12th gen Intel Core processors, with the option to spec it up to either i5 or i7 processors with Intel Xe graphics. If the predecessor is to go by, the i7 with the Intel Xe graphics will let you run Adobe Premiere with no issues. The 15.6 inch version can also be spec'd with Intel Arc graphics. For memory options, you can pick between the 8, 16 or 32 gig of LPDDR5 options, and I'd suggest going all out for video editing or more intensive tasks. And for storage, you can have up to 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, and of course, you can also expand it using that microSD card slot. For connectivity, there's Wi-Fi 6E, which is great, and for battery, Samsung says this will give you up to 21 hours of battery life with a 68 watt-hour battery in the 15.6 inch model and 63 watt-hour battery in the smaller version. But this can be charged up quickly as well using that 65 watt USB-C fast charger. The smaller variant has a 4 watt stereo AKG speaker with smart amp and Dolby Atmos, whilst the larger variant is packed with a slightly more powerful 5 watt stereo speaker, also AKG. I also had some hands-on with the 360 model, and as the name suggests, it allows you to be more flexible. You can have it in temp mode, tablet mode, or laptop mode, making it a 2-in-1 laptop device. It's identical to the clamshell versions in terms of specs, but this one comes with a touchscreen and S Pen support, so you can sketch away or sign documents on the go. You can attach the pen to the lid via magnet, and it sticks very well, keeping it quite safe. There's also no Intel Arc available on the larger variant, and slight differences in weight, but in reality you won't feel that heft. One thing to also note is that only the 15.6 inch has 5G offering. One more thing, this is a Galaxy device, so you get all the software features Galaxy has to offer, like smart things to control your home. You got Quick Share, which can now be used to send larger files. You have new OneBook UI 4.0 experience to bring it closer to what you'd be used to on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. You can use your Galaxy Book Series keyboard and trackpad whilst navigating on your Galaxy Tab S8 screen for seamless interactions across devices. And you can even use the tab as an external display, and I also spotted Amazon Alexa integration too. In case you're wondering, the new base model has been updated as well. So the Galaxy Book 2 base level variant offers a smaller battery, smaller RAM, adjust 8GB LPDDR4 or LPDDR5. Obviously you can go up as well depending on which size you go for. You have a lower camera resolution, and it's just designed to be a great value for money. So there we have it. That's the first impressions and hands-on of the latest Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro and the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. As always, all pricing and relevant information will be in the description area, so do check it out. And if this is your first time around here, please do subscribe and smash the bell notification as well, so you get notified every time there's a video like this up on the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.